Alright guys, we're Adventure Riding TV here, Mike. We've come to Ellenbray Station and we've broken one of the BMWs, so it broke itself unfortunately, couldn't handle it. And we're going to go check out some of the property here today in Ellenbray, and we've got two quads, the other one's not here at the moment, it's actually out doing some work. And with this old TTR, if you guys have been following Adventure Riding TV for a while, you know that I ride a 1984 TT600. It's one of my favourite bikes as a kid, had a poster on the wall and wanted one. And last night we're sitting around having a few rums, discussing this old TT. Logan picked it up for a song and a dance in Kununurra. And there's a couple of stories to the tank. Basically the first tank leaked like a sieve. Then he brought another one and carried his carry-on all the way from Adelaide all the way up here to the Kimberley. And same thing happened, the side just fell off the side of the tank and she just leaked like a sieve. Got the plug out of the TT, went to check for spark. Cam's gonna give me a kick for me. Go Cam, see if we get any spark in here. Woo!
Judging by that sound, I'm guessing it's working.
Mate, turn the key on.
That might help. Yeah,
there we go. Nice, alright, so we've got plenty of spark in the old girl. Alright, let's move on to the next part.
There we go.
Ooh. We get the old TT going. Okay guys, we're at Ellenbray Station here. Amazing little place. It's run by Larissa and Logan. They've done an amazing job, but it's completely different to anything else you've experienced in the Kimberley. A lot of the other places in the Kimberley have become very commercial. Where Ellenbray here is still family, young couple, and a few staff here, and it's just absolutely amazing. One of the best places I've been. When I first come here, it was actually one of the worst places I come on the road, and since these guys have taken over, it's amazing. It's been my favourite place this trip. Beautiful gardens, if you have a look around the back of me here. This is the original old homestead over here. So it was built in the 70s, I think, the original homestead. And then in the 80s and 90s, the tin roofing over the top to extend it all. Amazing gardens, there's lots of rammed earth cabins at the back. So if you couldn't be bothered setting up your campsite, really well priced rammed earth cabins. Have a look over the back here. So all the hot water here is done by fire. We've got this is actually their private bathroom, but it's a bath and a shower that it's actually out over the river. Rammed earth toilet, it's pretty cool to check all that out. So yeah, just some amazing gardens to come and spend the day. Best scones on the Gib, and I would say they'd extend a lot more than the best scones on the Gib. They're pretty good. My wife makes amazing scones, and they're definitely up there with hers, so it's pretty good. There is camping facilities down the road, so this here is more cabins. You come in, come to reception, see the guys here. There's another campground down the bottom, and it has hot water, showers down there. It's got some 12-volt lighting. It's got some fireplaces and stuff like that to cook with. A great little place, Ellenbray here. It's just a little oasis in the middle of the Kimberley. They've done an amazing job. And the bird life here is absolutely amazing. There's so many birds in this place. You can hear them in the background. Have a night sleeping, in the morning, the first thing you wake up, you just hear birds, 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 birds. So definitely coming to the Kimberley, I'd highly recommend, rather than just drop and grab some scones, pop in and spend the night. You won't regret it.
Very good.
Mate, you called in the TT Whisperer. What else do you expect?
Places I've been, I wasn't telling the truth about the things that I've seen. People that I said I'd met, they don't even know me. I wasn't telling the truth about how my much I drank and about how far my car can drive on a full tank. So many things that I said I've done, they're just not true. I ain't got as much money as I say I do, but I'll say about anything just to impress you. If I believe that there's half a chance, that I'm half a chance with you. So I lie about all of the things I don't know, how I am feeling so good when I am feeling so low. And I don't ever seem to learn the error of my ways, 'cause I'm a liar.
Open her up.
Alright, so you get traction through there. It's wet, so you want traction. Stay on that side.
Just give it nuts. It'll make it up.
No. Stand up.
No, just give it.
Sit down, look where you want to go. Fucking look up there. Look up here. Sit down. Yep. Stand up. Sit down. And look at Robbie. And stay in that lane. But look at Robbie.
And don't back off.
Give it, Gary.
Give it.
Keep going.
Wanted to give it more berries.
High five.
Fuck, you guys are legends. You did well. But when you get to a hill like that, it's all momentum. Just fucking give it berries and keep them on until you get over the top. If you have like a lack of traction, obviously you don't want to do that if you have loads of traction, because then you'll go over. But yeah, well done.
Good work.
Thanks, boys. All good, mate.
I'm a liar the rest of my days. I'm a liar the rest of my days. Well, I'm a silver-tongued devil like you've never seen. If a traffic light is red, I'll probably say that it's green, in the hope that you think I'm better than I'll ever hope to be. And I've never let honesty get in the way of making me appear like I'm the king of the day. Standing out in a crowd, half the lies I say are true.
Just finished our ride. Found a bit of a water hole to stop and have a few drinks. It's got the Mr. Irving on the quad bush bashing through. Got the TT back there with Mr. Hayden. And we've got the GS, looks like he's retired up there. Mighty effort on that big 800 motorcycle. Don't know how the hell they got it through here. Oh, croc Robbie.
Oh, where?
For a bit of a splash at there.
Did ya?
Bit of riding confidence, my friend. Go down the
Can't believe you pulled that thing through the bush.
Even cold.
That is out of control. How did the TT fare?
I ain't got as much money as I say I do, but I say about anything just to impress you. If I believe that there's half a chance, that I'm half a chance with you. So I lie about all of the things I don't know, how I am feeling so good when I am feeling so low. And I don't ever seem to learn the error of my ways, 'cause I'm a liar the rest of my days.
Okay guys, we spoke to a man about a dog on Columbaroo Road, and he sent us down here and he gave us a bit of a mud map. And we're going to look at some Aboriginal art, so stay tuned. This is what the Kimberley's all about, guys. Wood croc. This is a beautiful waterway. Cam spotted a croc over here. I don't think you'll see it on the camera. Boots are going to walk Mate, these cities are the best walking boots out of all of them.
I say I do, but I say about anything just to impress you. If I believe that there's half a chance, then I'm half a chance with you. So I lie about all